So everyone able to see my screen?
Yes, Kiran.
Okay. So as of now, we done the manual correlation and auto correlation. In the auto correlation, we discussed from the to create from the rule. So how to we can do the auto correlation? Anyone can explain? So you can explain what you understand, right? You can just explain. Akbar? Hello, everyone able to hear?
Yes, Kiran. Yes.
Yeah.
So in auto correlation, whatever the value we need to correlate it. So right click on that.
Okay.
Right, here the correlate option is there.
Okay.
So whatever the we correlation option is there. Uh, so in this correlation, I'll explain you one thing. Right click on correlate selection is there. So in this one pop-up will open, that is design studio. In this design studio, uh, under options is there. Under options, whatever the dynamic value we selected in this, so it is showing the left boundary and right boundary.
Okay.
You can find out the left boundary and right boundary, and also we copy that same
Okay.
right side correlation definition is also there, and it
Okay.
is boundary and right boundary regulation is there. So
Okay.
we need this left boundary and right boundary, we copied the same, and
Okay.
upside correlation option is there. If it is all it is correct, we need to change also as per the correlation definition, as per the left boundary and right boundary. If it is different it is showing, we can also possible to change it. So after the all the changes has been done, here left side correlation option is there, correlate. We will click on that correlate. Automatically in our script, correlation is passing through particular the uh, upside the URL.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. So, like, okay, do you know from the auto correlation? Sunny?
Yeah, I know, but I need to check once again. Need to
Okay,
go through.
that's fine. Okay, that's fine. So now we are mostly 85% of the scripting is completed. Like we have done the parameterization and we have done the auto correlation. So if you done from this, almost your scripting is completed. Okay. For now, what we can do means, see for example, here is this value is the dynamic value, right? So this value maybe you are not done the correlation, your script will be always fail. But you can observe here, if you replay the script, it is a script is passed. So if you not handle the dynamic value, how the script will pass? So that is why what will happen is, so the load runner, it automatically the script will pass, it will show, but your front end not update from the this what script pass means till like flight booking is need to complete it, it will not complete it. Like is even login itself it is not doing. For example, we can see here. So like what we can do means we need to validate, we have to the verification points will be there. So means if you go to the application, okay, we'll go to the application. So now we can observe, so this is the our URL, right? So it is a really means after launch, and after launch you need to give the username and password. Means if it is successfully login, you should go to this page. So through our script, really you went or not, we know, really we don't know, because it is showing from your script is pass only for here, but you are not handling this dynamic value. Really you are going or not, how will we know? Means we need to validation points will be there. We have the two types of validation points will be there. Okay, one is from the like so we have the verification points or validation point. Verification point. So we have the two type of verification point, like text verification point, text verification, and second in the image verification. Means you can observe for here, really your login success, you need to go to this page. So we need to, which page you are going, right? You need to write from this page above. So we have the function will be there, is like test verification point of view, web underscore reg underscore file. Okay, in that we have the arguments, some text is equal, everything argument is a double colon only. Okay, text is equal and comma. Okay, and after that last. Okay, so now you can observe this is the syntax. So for here, first thing, text means really if your login is successfully, actually you can go to this page. So really if you went or not, how will check? Means in this page you can take from the any static text from the in this page. Static text nothing but it doesn't change. I can take from the reservation or search or flights or review, anyone you can take. Otherwise you can take from the flights. In this page really went or not, you can observe, you can give from the like we'll take from the flights, will be maybe same page will be there. What you can take means you can search, you can observe if you log off, and you can observe in this page the search is there, not there. Okay, now this text we need to copy from this, because this is the static test in that page. Means so login is successfully, your script will be pass with this text, because you are went from that page. Your script is failing means you are not going to the login successfully. So we'll execute this. See, you can observe your script is failed. Where it is failed, you can observe text is equal search not found. Means login is failed. So you can observe login started, but it is login is failed. So why it is failed means, for here you are unable to log into the application. So means you are only just launch is happening. After that is login is not happening. Why? Because you are not handle the dynamic value. This value is every time is changing. If you not handle, you are unable to log into the application. So that is the point. Verification points are very important from the every request table, every page level. Okay, you need to give from the verification point. Then only you know the okay, we are getting from the correct response. It is going to the correct page. You will be no. For example, you can observe if you execute again, it will fail from the here only. See, now what we can do is we can do the correlation now. Okay, auto correlation I am doing. Okay, just quickly point of view. Okay, correlate selection and boundaries. Okay, that's fine. I'm selecting from the boundary base. Okay, that is fine. Boundaries, and click on correlate button and close. See, now correlation is done. Now correlation is done. Now you can execute this. You can save this and you can execute. So you can observe your script will be passed. So means now your successfully login is done. So you can observe your script will pass. Means in this text is available in the that page. For example, you want to count for this search in that page how many times will be there. You want means you have the one more argument will be there. That is from the save count. Save count equal to okay login, right? You can give from the login only. Just that is the name of the save count. Means the search is the how many times it is calculated. Otherwise, we'll give from the search only. Let's see here, search. Okay. So now you can observe. Now again you'll execute this. See, you can observe your script will pass. Now you can observe this search how many times it will be there. We can observe in the here. You can observe the login. Okay, this login is 3 times will be there. You can observe. So means the search in that page 3 times will be there. That is why your validation will be success. Means in this page it is the login is successfully done. After that you went from the this page because of your handling the dynamic value. In this page searches will be there in the like 3-4 times. How many times will be there? The particular text it is calculated. Means script. So that is why we are handling from the dynamic values. So you can observe if you not handling the script is failing means you are unable to log into the application. So really you are going to the that page or not means validation points. So validation points are very important for us because if you not done also it will throw as a your script is passed, it will throw our script, our Loadrunner. But when you are given from the web breakpoint function as a verification point, then only you know that okay, this verification is failing or this verification is passed means we are going to the correct page. Got it? So now what we can do means we'll try this is the text verification point. So now we have the image also will be there, web underscore image underscore check. So this is the name, and here okay you need to give from the like parameter name. We need to give from the some parameter name comma and again double colon comma last. So and semicolon close, and here just give from the login means login you are doing. Here what we need to provide image nothing but. So if you go to the application, for example you are validating from the after login this page we are going to or not means we can take from the any one of the image this. So you can observe HP image, web tour also images, flights, some images will be there, but we can take as this text is it is considered as image. No. So how to we can identify that image means we can click on from that page any page. Okay, click on from the source view page source. See now here you can observe some src is equal to HTML, some src is equal to true. So this src is like image. So that is why it is there. So you can take from the any one of this. For example, if you are taking from this, you can copy this, okay, and put it from the in double colon place. And same logic, Loadrunner will do don't know from the double colon. So that is why we need to give from the black slash. Where is the double colons? You can observe. You can give one more. See now script parsing is succeeded. So after that you can execute. So your image also, it is a verification will be done. See, image verification also done. You can observe also image verification will be successfully done. Another message. See, web image is successfully. So means we can validate from the two ways. Is the image ways, otherwise text verification point. So that is fine. But I want from the some logic. Okay. So what I want to miss. So this text verification point, I want to display in the my output window as a some like debugging point of view, some validation point of view. So I want for that. So what we can do means here in this our script we can write from the C language from the here to scripting enhancement point of view. We can write from the C or Java also we can write. C we can write. Java means we need to enable from the some runtime recording options. There you can enable the, by default it will be there as a, you can observe. So you can observe here it is a C is there. By default it is a C will be there. We want means is a, we can select a Java also will be there. That will be we need to enable. Okay. So now we can do from the enhancement. Like you can observe checkpoint pass or fail. So which function we can use from the as a C? Which logic we can use? I want pass, otherwise fail.
If else.
If else condition, simply right. I want only just simply like it is a pass or fail. If else condition we can use. So you need to write from the after the request. For example, you are validating from the login. After login, you need to write from the that if else condition. As same to don't write from the in between of the LR start transaction and transaction. Why? Because so that code execution also it is calculated from the our response time, because our response time are very important for us. As per client expectation, we are meeting our SLA or not is a very important. So that is why if you are writing any code means don't write from the LR start transaction and transaction in between. Only we need from the our request itself. Okay. So that is a very important thing. Now what we can do is we need to write from the if else condition. Okay. So we have the already written some code is there. Yeah, this is the text verification point. So here you can observe if condition a to I. A to I nothing but a nothing but it's a string to integer. Like in this value place, it is a string also we can convert as a to I. And LR eval string. LR eval string is our load runner function. So what purpose we can use from the LR eval string means to evaluate from that variable, then we need to use from the LR eval string. Like we want to read that value. So this sign off will be there. Nothing but, so if you go to the script, what is the name you are provided as a save count is there, right? So we need to give from the that from the in this parameter name we can provide. And after that if condition means we need to open curly brace and we are writing from the output message LR output message. So what is the LR output message? Nothing but, so you want to display from the output in the your output window. So we are giving from the LR output message. So checkpoint is failed. When it is failed means the search is there. For example, search is there. Search is equal to 0 means in that page there is no search. Then it is come to the if condition. It is a your checkpoint is failed. What happened? It is a search is equal to 1 equal to 0. Then search is equal to 1. Then it is coming to the else part and it will execute from the LR output message. Checkpoint is pass. Got it? So this LR eval string and LR output message. These are our Loadrunner functions. But this if else condition is nothing but just we are using from the logic only, if else. But we are using from the our okay functions. Okay, now what I can do is I will copy this and go to the script. Already I told where we need to write after the login, because I am doing from the login, right? We can give from the login. So after the end transaction can provide. Now here sign off already we are given, but we need to give from the this save count. What is the name you are provided, that you need to give from the here as a variable. We can consider as a variable search. Okay, you can give from the here. For here, when you are giving from the eval string, we need to give from the double quotal and open curly brace, in curly brace between we need to give from the variable name. Okay. Now we'll observe our checkpoint pass or fail condition. We can see the in output window. Go to the starting line and you can check. See, login is equal to 3 km and iteration will be starting from here. Okay, login is started and see search is equal to how much? 2. You can observe checkpoint pass. You got it right? Everyone got it? Checkpoint is passed. Why? Because the search is equal to 2. If it is less than 1, like it's a 0, your checkpoint is failed. Just if else condition we are written. Got it everyone? Uday?
Yeah.
Akbar? So yeah, so I will share this to the everyone. Okay, no worry. You can keep it in one notepad and you also save from the same like curve. Okay.
Kiran, here you have taken this search text is there, no? So where we have taken this search?
This one, right? Yeah. So if you go to the application, here I taken as a static test is a search. See.
Okay.
Okay. You can take from anything is fine. Flights also you can take, or new also you can take, pages also you can take.
Okay.
Whatever maybe you can take as a static test. Okay. So like this you need to give from the each and every page ways. You can give from the text verification point, and you need to give from the error handling point of view. You need to give from the this also you need to give. Your checkpoint is failed means you are not going to the valid page. Simply this is the error handling. We can call it as a error handling. So means you are going to the failed means you are not going to the valid page. Okay, so this condition we need to give from the everywhere. Every request we need to give from the this condition in our script. Yes, Akbar.
Is there any specific view of where we have to put this function? Is there any like correlation like that? In every time login under only we need to.
No, not only login under, everywhere you should give. That is a good thing, because what will happen means really if you miss any correlation value, any page, it is obviously it will throw an error from here. Then you will know that okay, here it is failing means we are not going to the correct page. So we should handle from the some dynamic value. Otherwise, this is the application side issue, or not you will be able to understand. If you not given what will happen, your script always it is showing from the pass only. So that is why each and every page wise you should give from the validation point. So for example, I'm telling, so for this is the very small code, we can write from the like one by one, we can write from the web break file. But it is a 10,000 lines will be there. So each and every page you can go to the application, take some static test. This will be very manual effort. Yes or no? Only for these validation points only it will take from the 3-4 days. But you should complete from the entire script itself 3-4 days. Okay, so at that point of view, actually we are not do from the manually like this. We have the, when you are recording the script, you can go to the recording options. We have the here, you can observe in the advanced. Okay, here you can observe generate web breakpoint functions for page titles. Then when you are check this, when you are recording, right, automatically this function will be generated, web breakpoint function. No need to write from the manually that function. No need to select from the go to the application. Don't select from the as a text. This is the static text. Automatically it is generated. Got it?
Got it. Got it.
Yeah. So that is the way we can do, because this is the very small code. So starting itself I told you can confuse. So that is why now I told as a, that is the way you can do. So you can observe already I checked. So that is why already it is a came, and you can observe every page also. I think it will be there here. See, already I commented here because you are not understanding, right, previous. So that is why I commented. You can observe every page is automatically came. See, web break fine. You can observe. So every page automatically it is came. I'm not entered manually. So if you want to write from the as a if else condition, error handling point of view, you can just add from the one save count, because that name we need to give him from the if condition, right? So that should be, you need to give from there. Got it, everyone? So these are the validation points are very important from the as scripting point of view. So this validation success means only you are going to the correct pace. I think everyone is clear at this, Abhishek? Yeah, so this is the one of the scripting enhancements, that is the like validation points. So image verification, and I forget one thing, only we need from the text verification point is fine. No need from the like image verification. Why? Because each and every page we can go and take from the static as a source code, and we can copy this. So that will be very manual effort. To overcome that manual effort, we are doing from the text verification point. Anyone is fine. So we are doing from the text, right? That is fine. Only just is the interview point of view, how many ways we can validate means you can give that. And one more thing, if you done the correlation also, that is also one of the validation point. Really your script is passing from the here, once you are handle that dynamic value, okay, you are going to the correct page. That is also one of the validation point. It's clear, right? So now we have the, this is the validation point. Now we have the one more thing. For example, one requirement. Okay, some user section value will be there. So this data you need to create from the using this script, and what data you are created 100 or 1000 or 1 lakh, that data I want to use from the next script. Means I want to save from the this user section values in my local system. So that is our requirement. Actually I want to save this user sections as a 10, 100 or 20,000, whatever maybe. I want to save in the my local system. So this is the requirement. Then what we can do means we have the file operation will be there. So using the file operation, we can capture this user section. Okay, don't think about only user section. What value you want to capture from the as a once you done the correlation, which value you want to capture, that you need to capture using from the file operation. So you can observe here already we have the code, and if you go to the here, this is the local file. Just we need to save our local machine. So that point of view we are writing from the this for here. So we should give from the first will be file. So file is the what is the file? Loadrunner will be don't know. So that is why we need to declare as a variable long file. Long file. So means long is nothing but it's a double long and character integer, right? So same way we have the long is a one of the okay variable declaration. So now I declare for the file. Now what I am doing means file is equal to fopen means I am opening from the file. So in this location I am saving from the that file e folder Kiran in that .txt nothing but text file and a plus nothing but ampersand. Okay, ampersand. So just I am saving from the here in this Kiran is the our text. For example, we'll give from the now Akbar. Okay, so it will save from the Akbar.txt in our E folder. If you go to the E folder, you can observe here now we don't have any Akbar, we don't have any file. Now if you go to the here, so this is the just we are saving from the everything in the file because file is equal to in this location it is saving from the this, and after that I want to print that. So printf file comma %s/n %s why we are given means it is a like numeric or it is alphanumeric, we are like giving from the %s and /n nothing but. So I want from the section value it is the first line, and after that if you don't given from the /n, what will happen means it is a continue single line only it will come. I don't want from the like this. I want from the each user section value will be one after, right? So we need to give from the /n comma lr eval string, and you are reading from the some variable. Which value you are reading? User section value. So you need to give from that. And you will already open the file. If you open the file, we should be close the file. Close, and we are closing the file. So this condition we need to write from the like for example you can copy this and go to the script. So user section is a where it is there login, right? So after login request only we need to write. After login request you can write, and after that you can observe this user section is there, right? What is the name you are provided here, same or not you can observe, otherwise you can copy paste it because same only if you give only it will capture. So now we can run our file is created or not we can observe. First you can go to the and just you can run. Oh, some compilation errors. Okay. So you can observe I am not declare variable. That is why what is that file will be Loadrunner will be don't know. So that is why we need to declare from the top of the script long file. Okay, then again we'll run. So when you are writing from this C code, right, very carefully can write. If anything you are given syntax, then you will get from the syntax errors. So now script will be passed. Now what we can do means we can go to the E folder. Okay, E folder. See you can observe now is created Akbar. See time also you can observe 850 means just now it is created. Okay, open this. See, it is captured, right? So again you can, I'm saving this again with the empty one. Okay, and otherwise you can delete also, no problem. Again it is automatically is created. Okay, and again I want from the 10 times, means what you can do, just 10 iteration you can provide. Now again you can execute. So you can observe 10 times it is executing.